Today we will learn how to create split screen effect in Premiere Pro. Take 4 videos of 1920 by 1080 pixels in the timeline. Now select all 4 and make the scale value 50. Then select one video and touch the position towards the top left corner. Select the second video towards the bottom left corner. Touch the third video towards the bottom right corner side. And touch the fourth video and touch its position towards the top right corner. Choose the Color Matte option from the new item. Now check the settings and click OK. Choose a color and bring it to the timeline. Unselect the uniform scale given below the scale and the effects control. Make the scale height value 1. And then bring one color matte and unselect the uniform scale. And make the scale width value 2. Make both as big as the length of the video. That's all for today. If you like the video, then do like and subscribe to the channel.